Hiya, welcome to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. I'm here to share with you a flip through of Daphne's Diary, issue number 2, 2026. I love this magazine so much. If you are a Daphne's Diary fan, let me know in the comments, because it's such a charming magazine. I just can't get enough of it. This is a book of mindfulness, recipes, vintage, creative inspiration, stickers. We've got a poster as well. I love it. Those little rabbits. Oh my goodness. Now this is so cute. Just this is beautiful. The first yellow butterfly. That's a nice reading, no doubt. I will not let you know what it's all about, but I always say that I'm just briefly giving you a flip through, because if you want to purchase a Daphne's Diary in the near future, I don't want to spoil it by letting you know everything that's going on in the magazine. Now I see here that it's all about Easter with the blue and white. Nice. And funny enough, I do not eat eggs. I do not eat eggs. I love rabbits though. Oh, I love bunny rabbits. So pretty. Really nice. Just a lot of creativity going on. A little bit of painting here. I'm so rubbish at painting. I don't mind if the image is there already that I can paint inside of the image, but for me to actually paint an image of my own, rubbish with that. Absolutely rubbish. Easter bread without an oven. That sounds interesting. The right strategy. Dear Diary. Gift pouch. Make your own little gift pouches. Nice. And the cardstock is amazing. Absolutely amazing. Really nice. More gift pouches. Sunny Spring vase. Teaching you how to make a vase out of twigs. A playful combination of paint and physical objects. Interesting. What's real and what's painted. And here you have all the information where you can obtain Daphne's Diary magazine from all over the world. Beautiful holiday house in the English village of Braunton. Don't know where that is, but I'll leave that up to you to find out if you're interested. It's just so nice to get away in these Airbnbs. Looks very, very nice. More places to visit. Easter Rocky Road. More biscuits and cake. Here's a read up. Can you spot the 10 differences? And we've got some washi tape here, some stickers. 4 Seasons of Joy. I think this is a poem. Where does the Easter Bunny come from? So you've got some information here of all what's going on with the Easter Bunny. Yutori, the Japanese art of slowing down. That sounds amazing for me. Decoupage. A page from a reader's diary. Be nice to colour in. The first signs of spring. Oh, it's amazing. It really is. Even though the weather keeps on changing just a little bit overcast one day with a bit of rain, and then the next day you've got all the blue skies and the sunshine, and every time that comes around I hope that it will stay. Helena Dahl, A Life Filled with Nature, Beauty and Simplicity. Design a Daphne's Diary cover for a chance to win one of 15 paper books. I am not good at all of that. I'm really not. A little leaf, something to read. And cheese from soft and creamy to strong and tangy. And this is a card. This is nice. Put in a frame. Look at all these cheese. Wow, look at all those cheese. I do like cheese. What is that? A hidden paradise in Italy. A hidden gem. I do like Italy. I've been to Naples and it is very nice there. Painted Easter eggs. Which pear is Lisa's favourite? Oh, that's cute. And Dancing Among the Flowers. Celebrate life at Hortensia Spa. What's this? Daphne's Diary paper creative book. Arts and crafts to make with felt. More Easter eggs. What nature teaches us about letting go. The cardboard box. They're so cute when they're tiny. Oh my goodness, I love them when they're tiny. When they start growing, not so much. The Running Club, another good read, no doubt. Post from friends. More artwork. Relationships are like flowers. Neighbours, partners, parents, colleagues, children, brief encounters, friends. Eggs with a face. More eggs. Yuck. Don't like eggs. What are these? Napkin rings. Okay. This is so pretty. This is lovely. You and Me. More eggs, boiled and filled with salmon. Eggs with cucumber, radish and garden peas. Ooh. Great gift for someone else or just for you. At Daphne's Diary website. Check it all out. Hazy Made. Okay. Bringing vintage fabrics and pre-loved jackets back to life. Oh, that cake looks absolutely delicious. Cape Town, a culinary journey through this world city. More places to visit. Truth Coffee. Oh, these are lovely. Oh, tea bag holders. Lovely. These are nice. And the cardstock is amazing. Uh-oh, we've got a poster. Poster coming up. Let's have a look. Ooh, look at that. Lovely. Oh, look at those blueberries, strawberries, lovely. Lavender looks so nice. Spring on a plate. Lovely. And that's choir cookies, something to read. Clara's Nano Home is just, what's that, 17 square feet or something like that. A Nano Home. Pocket size smart home. Small but perfectly formed. Really sweet. Really sweet. Oh, this is lovely. Oh my goodness. Now that, you see, you've got to choose. Got to choose. The hens are nice. Rabbits are lovely. This is beautiful. Beautiful. Can you find the 12 chicks? And here we have it, the end of Daphne's Diary magazine. The following Daphne's Diary will appear on the 7th of April, packed with creative inspiration. Have a great day. See you soon, Daphne. Lovely. Now normally we have the book read, but there is no book read in this one. We've got Daphne's address book. Alright. Oh, even this is beautiful. Look at this. So pretty. I loved that flip through. If you did as well, I would really appreciate a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Take care of your good selves and see you back soon. Bye for now.